Hi guys, welcome back to another video, this time covering all of my footage from the Ferry Farm car meet at Hoveringham, owned by a company in relation to Classic Wise that usually does the Dovecote in meets at Laxton. In this video you're going to be seeing cars of all eras, both old and new. You're going to be seeing some classic rally cars, some famous rally cars, some proper old legendary cars such as Jags and Skodas, Morris Marinas and many more, and just a great variety of stuff. You're even going to be able to see a couple of modern sports cars that are great amongst many fans. So I hope you enjoyed today's video guys. If you do, please remember to leave a like and comment below what was your favourite and subscribe after the video. But for now, I will let you finish watching these pictures and then hopefully you will enjoy the video. See you later. We got a Mark 1 Escort behind us. And behind that there's a Mark 2, I think. Way. So, we've all pulled up at a crossing. The 2 Escorts and a Buick. Because there's a train coming. And there she goes. It's an East Midlands Railways Regional Class 156 Super Sprinter 156 406. So yep, as you probably realised by those 2 shots, we are at the car meet and it's at Hoveringham, where I've actually never been before. I'm going to start by having a look at a pair of cars in the field. So we have a Dodge Charger RT, and over here we have a Chrysler 300C. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Let's get to it. Just coming into the festival, I noticed an Aston Martin. So this is an Aston Martin DB9 from the late 2000s. A very, very stylish GT supercar. Lovely. Here we have the Ford Capri Owners Club with some of their entries. We have a Racing Body Kit Capri, as well as a couple more. I believe that's a Mark 1. Got quite a few along here, as you can see. All very, very nice. Got a limited edition model. It's there. Couple of laser Capris, that's an injection. And then you've got this one. And here we have Colin McRae's Ford Focus rally car. As you can see. You've even got the van that would tow it around. And then down here, we've got some more festival entries. A very shiny Ford. I believe this is another Capri. You've got a 2007 Focus ST. Couple more Fords over here. New-ish ST. And a couple of older ones. Go all the way down here. And then here's your orange one. We have a Ford Escort convertible RS. Got another couple of Fords. I believe this, yeah, this is another Focus ST. Believe that's an old Fiesta. Got another Fiesta here. as well as a newish Fiesta ST. There's a proper Mark 1 Ford Escort. I've got a Mark 1 Fiesta. Got a Sierra RS Cosworth next to what I believe is an Escort RS Turbo. Could be an Escort RS Cosworth though. Might even be a Sierra. I'm not great on old cars. Got another couple of cars round here. And then you've got a Ford Street Rod. Here we have a pair of Porsche SUVs, I believe they're Cayennes. We have the Mark 1 Escort that we were following here and in front of coming here. It's of course a Rally edition, Rally Orange UK. Got another one there. Got an Octavia VRS, as well as a Bentley, I believe. Might not be. Might be another description of Ford or something else, but it says Bentley on the badge. Got a Buick Collector's Edition. And then you've got some more cars that will be going around in a second. Here we have a Mercedes AMG C63 Coupe. One of my favourite flagship Mercedes AMG models. And you've also got a Renault 5 Turbo. This is a Pontiac, I believe it's an old Trans Am. This is a BMW M335Ci, so an M Sport 3 Series. We've got a very lovely Caterham Super 7. Got a Triumph with the bonnet up. A hot rod. Got to love a Ford hot rod. Got an MGB Roadster. A Wolseley. A British Leyland rally car. A Morris Estate. A Jaguar. A Jag. A Skoda. A large Dodge Ram. I believe that's a Dodge Ram Daytona. A Chevrolet hot rod. And a Porsche 718 Boxster. Here we have a Mercedes. We think it's an old 300, but we could be wrong. We have a new Morgan, newish. A Hillman. I believe this is a Ford Escort estate. Got BMW taking off. Got some more cars that we'll be having a look at the back of later. Another Capri. I believe these are actually Capri estates, however I could be wrong, we'll have a look in a minute. We've got a Vauxhall, I believe it's a Vauxhall Cavalier. A pair of MGB Roadsters. And a yellow Ford Focus ST. This is actually a Vauxhall Carlton. Got the Ford from the back. And then we have the, I believe it's a Pontiac Grand Prix. This is a Ford Granada.
This great big thing here.
That's a Hillman Minx. A Morgan Aero B, I believe. Oh, and this is a Mercedes 280 SE. That's how you drive with the boot up. It's the ST Owners Club. Ford Focus ST Estate. I think he's filling his water bowser up. There goes a Morris Marina, departing the show. So I hope you've enjoyed today's car meet. I know there's not really been much footage, but that's because the main event is actually tomorrow, but you do have to pay to get into that, and I think it's mainly people that have stopped here overnight that'll be at that, so not as many cars. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed today's video, guys. If you have, be sure to like and subscribe. Comment below what was your favourite car. For me, it had to be the Aston Martin or the Ford Capri Rally Edition. But yeah, comment below which was your favourite car, and I'll see you next time. Bye! There's another Capri coming in, I think.